What's going on, guys? It's your boy Working Wayne checking back in. Right, we got a 2017 Honda Accord, 2017. We're gonna take off this trim panel, the handle, and the mirror, okay? Let's get it. We're gonna take that piece out first. We're gonna take that piece out and take this out. Go ahead, unplug it. Those are Phillips. That's a Phillips head, Phillips screwdriver. Take that piece out. Now, use your flathead screwdriver and push it up in the crease and pull it apart. Then you do the clip puller in front of me and pull it away from me. Pull it out, just like that. Now, once you got it out, go up with it. Take your trim panel, go ahead and loose out the wires out of it. And take this up wire off. For the mirror, those are number 10s, 3 of them. Go ahead and unplug it. What it looks like. Those are 3 number 10 bolts. The last one, you want to hold the mirror. Before you lose the last screw, hold the mirror so you won't drop it. Y'all see that clip right there? Push that clip down. That is a safety clip, but don't touch it. Do not trust it. You're gonna hold it still. Now, to take out this handle, you're gonna move that black piece from there. Take that black piece out. Now see that 10? That's a number 10 bolt. Number 10. We're gonna take it out, use your flathead screwdriver and put it right in the crease and put some pressure on it. So now it's loose, came out, hold this open, right out. See? Comes right out. Now when it does that, all you do is set this thing back in there and you're good to go. Alright, just set it back in there. Now for the handle, pull the handle towards you. Bam, comes out. Go ahead and take this piece out. Do not lose this piece. What these things does is stop the dust and the wind from going through the door once you drive it. Alright? That's how you take care of that. More working when checking out.